Are we ready?
We're ready.
Welcome to Whistler. Alex, Riley, here we are at your wedding. I would like to take a minute to acknowledge where we are right now, to recognize the natural beauty of our surroundings, the glacier we're standing on, the giant mountains, this incredible view.
Who would have thought that when we met 11 years ago that you would end up sliding into my DMs 8 years later and end up here today?
From being just friends to me expressing my feelings for you to now having our little family with Bales, you help me be the finest version of me that I can. You are my best friend, greatest fan, and constant support system. But most importantly, you are the love of my life, and you make me happier than I could ever imagine and more loved than I ever thought possible. It looks nice, huh?
Thank you.
It's beautiful. Thank you.
Marriage means many things. It is a commitment to each other, to accept the other person in his or her entirety, as a companion, a lover, and as a friend. It is a relationship based on love, respect, and determination, and is intended to last a lifetime.
From this moment, I take you, my best friend for life. I pledge to honor, encourage, and support you through our walk together.
Riley, you're the soy sauce to my dumpling. I love you and love the fact that we complement each other in many ways. You look so handsome, and your smile brings me so much joy.
I promise to always make you laugh and to laugh together. I promise to never lose our spark.
And to always do the little things to make you laugh and be happy. I promise to respect and appreciate you for who you are and for the person you wish to become. I will always be your rock, your cheerleader, your #1 supporter, especially when you have doubts about your amazing abilities.
I promise to work at our love and always make you a priority in my life. I vow to cherish you, devote my life to you, and always be true.
I vow to be your best friend and wife, equal partners in life, and to remember the amazing person that I married. My life is forever entangled with yours. My dreams are your dreams, and I'll build it all around you.
With every beat of my heart, I will love you.
Now, upon the authority vested in me by the province of British Columbia, I pronounce you as husband and wife. You may seal your vows with a kiss.
Where's your hat? Yeah.
Wow, married now.
I know.
Married man.
Yeah.
Ah.